Hi, this is Jenny from 21 Ukulele Songs, and I'm here to teach you We Wish You a Merry Christmas, which is from our best-selling and award-winning 21 Easy Ukulele Songs for Christmas. We Wish You a Merry Christmas uses 7 chords. You're going to use a C chord, you're going to use an F chord, you're going to use a G7 chord, an A minor, a D7, an E7, and a G. Because there is so many chords, I'm doing a very simple strumming pattern. I'm just going down, down, down for each measure. In some of the measures where there's 2 chords, I'll do 2 downs. I'll go down, down, change, and then the next measure. Hope you enjoy it. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings we bring to you and your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Enjoy! If you like this video, please press like or leave a comment below. Visit ukulele.io to get free sheet music emailed to you. You can also purchase one of our books on Amazon where we teach you the skills you need to learn this and other songs. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button to get notifications about our weekly lesson uploads.